making the stock market easy. That's what I do. I've been doing it for a long time. So we had the 700-point drop. Everybody's stunned. Why? What happened? No, it's not anything new. They've just been masking the fact that consumer confidence has been falling apart. But you wouldn't know it by listening to the narratives coming out of fake Business News Network. Listen to this.
The consumer is healthy and strong and spending.
No, he's not healthy and strong. He's spending, sure is, and he's got a lot of debt. He's using his credit card. Delinquencies are going up in his credit card, auto loans, mortgages. Are you kidding me? No, he's not healthy at all. We got another number last week, consumer sentiment. Same thing. Fell 10%. Are you kidding me? So again, don't be shocked by this 700-point drop because it's happened before. Here, let me show you. Look at the trend here. This is the S&P. Look at the trend. Now, the S&P has been staying above the trend, above support right till August. And after August, every time it rallied, it would pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it always rallied back up, but could never stay above trend again. Why? We didn't have the institutional players. They pulled out. They're not participating. They're not going to pay the PE ratios. The valuations are insane. But you got the tourist investor who's sitting around going, I'll buy it. I'll buy it every dip. I'm going to get rich. That's what they're doing. So they run out of money. The market is going to go down. Now, but there's one chart you should be looking at besides the S&P that's helped me a great deal, and I live and die by this chart. IWM, the small mid-cap stocks. Look at this. Let me do a comparison. If I put up the spiders, yeah, we've been going sideways since December. Okay, it's been a hard time getting the thing to break out. I get all that. Oh, by the way, you're looking, I'm sure, and say, how come these charts are different? Well, this is your chart right here. This is the generic chart that shows you that the day the market closes, it closed on a low, closed on a high. 25 years ago, I made it simple. It didn't make any sense to me. I said, why doesn't someone design a chart that shows if money is going into that stock or not? And that's what we did 25 years ago. Green, money's going in. Red, money's coming out. That helps big time to know that, right? That's the difference. Going back to my spiders. Now watch when I go to IWM, the heart and soul of the market. This is the small and mid-cap stocks. It's the soul, the heart, the small business, the consumer. Tells you how strong this thing is. And look at it. It's been terrible. And everybody's avoiding it. And it's just starting to break that 200-day moving average. That's what's going on in the market now. Who's surviving? There's only a couple sectors. Not even that. Look at this. After Friday's 700-point drop, money has been in the consumer staples. Here's a couple of our stocks. Johnson & Johnson, look over here, it's going up. Green, right? You got Kellogg, Coke. Okay, these stocks have been going up. You have one other sector out of the 11 sectors, okay? You got XLU Utilities, you got Duke going up. And then you have one stock out of IYZ ETF, which is telecommunication. Now, it looks strong, doesn't it? But it's not. Only one stock is going up. That's it. That's where the money's going, okay? Most of the money's going to consumer. Now, staples. But there's one place we put a lot of our money, and we've been doing it right in here when it turned green, from red to green. Gold. Gold. Not the miners, but GLD. Okay, I like GLD better than the miners because GLD follows the bullion rather than the stock. So I just enjoy those more. So that's where most of our money has been. And right now, there's not a lot of places to put your money, right, and feel comfortable. But be assured, yes, this market continue to go higher. It can, as long as you got the retail customer in here, as long as he's got money. But when he runs out of money, how do we know? Because my chart will give us a signal. It'll turn to red. And I'm going to continue to follow IWM. Look, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit subscribe, okay, like and share. And for more information on my charts, my stock picks, just go to philsgang.com. I hope you appreciate this and like this. See you on the charts.